All right, guys, so I am back and I'm kind of starting my series right now. I'm going to work on a few little pieces that I want to put in the dollhouse that I'm going to be working on, but I'm not working like any specific room right now. I'm just kind of making some little pieces for it. So right now I'm just going to work on a couple of little like accessories. And if you're new here, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. I appreciate you so much. If you haven't already, please be sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. I am working on a new series. I'm on my floor, by the way, because everywhere else is just too hard to work on right now. So here I am on my floor. But I am working on a series with a dollhouse that I purchased quite a while ago, probably about a year ago. It's been in storage. I finally got it out and we're going room by room. But like I said, right now I'm just working on a few accessories. And excuse my voice and if there's some sniffling and stuff. I have been sick for a while and I just can't seem to shake it. So I'm trying here and hopefully I can kind of hold back the sniffles for a while and the coughing. So first thing that I'm going to be using are these little skinny sticks. I got these at, I believe, Walmart, if I'm not mistaken, and they were like $1 something. But they're kind of like stir sticks. That's what they look like. They are a little bit thicker. Show you one. So this is what they look like. They are a little bit thicker and they're smoother than like stir sticks. Stir sticks tend to be a little thinner and just not as smooth and kind of just there. So these are the ones I'm using. Obviously you can use whatever you have, popsicle sticks, craft sticks, whatever you have. I'm using these because I like the width of them and they're gonna work out great. I'm also going to be using one of these cork sheets from the Dollar Tree, one of these little chalkboard. I think, yeah, these are stickers, but I'm not going to be using like the sticker, or maybe I will. I don't know yet, but this chalkboard, and this is just a piece of leftover, what is it, poster board. So those are the three things that I'll be using. So with these craft sticks, I've already kind of measured out some of them. So what I'll be doing is I'll be cutting them up so that they're like this. So I started by cutting one in half, as you can see here. So I'm just going to show you kind of how I have these. These are craft scissors, but I know they're like medical. They have some that are medical scissors. These are actual like craft ones because they're a little bit smaller. They cut through this type of stuff really, really easily and very well. These I found at a craft store or a thrift store or something, but they have some at Harbor Freight that are just a little bit bigger. And those are usually the ones I use, but have those and they cut through everything really well. So those are the two pieces that I'm cutting. Sometimes you have to sand them down, sometimes it's fine. So that's that. And I'm gonna get comfortable because my knees are starting to hurt. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the shiny side of this poster board and I am going to use this Fabrifix glue. I love Fabrifix. You can use whatever glue you want, but this works great for me. I guess we're going to start. How do I want to start? Put this one on the top. So you can paint these, stain these if you want to. I really like the natural wood of everything, so I'm just gonna stick with that. And you're just gonna glue it. I'm gonna glue it as close to the top as I can so I don't have to cut all of that out. And so these two are longer and then there's two shorter ones, so they make like a rectangle. And if you haven't guessed already, I'm going to be making a dry erase board, a cork board, and a chalkboard because I thought that'd be cute. I think my attic in the house might be like either a craft room or like, I don't know, the kids' playroom or maybe a homeschool. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to make it, but I thought these would be cute for, any room. I don't necessarily even have to use them in my doll, you know, in that specific dollhouse, but I did want to make these little accessories because, like I said, I thought it would be cute. Oops. And hopefully it'll be even. Hopefully I cut them right. Yeah, looks okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let that dry, and once it dries, I'll cut that. And then if you want to, I don't think I'm gonna do it. If you want to, you can, maybe I will. You can put like a piece, cut an extra piece and put it at the bottom. I might do that. I'm not sure. So then you can put like the markers and the chalk and whatever. So we'll see. I don't know if I'm going to do that yet, but I probably will. Then the next one is, so these are just some really simple, oh, sorry for the rustling. Hold on. Open this up back here. And of course, if you want it to be a little bit more sturdy, you can get like some, just use some more of that, or some like, what's it called? Like a cereal box or something. You can glue that on the back and kind of make it a little bit more sturdy if you want to. Obviously, it's just completely up to you, but I'm just going to kind of make them like this because I think I'm just going to use some sticky tape to glue them onto the wall. So I don't think I'm going to do all that, but it's up to you. Those are just options. Like I said, you just get some like an old cereal box and then you glue it on there, or these have stickies on the back, so you can just stick them on there. But that's, like I said, up to you. So that there. Oh no, I mixed them up. Doggone it. Okay, hold on. They're all pretty much the same size, but sometimes when you cut them, there's like a little bit of a different. Okay, these are the same. I think, okay, so those are the same. Alrighty. I don't know how I mixed them up there, but then you have your cork board, and of course you can put a cork board in an office or in the kitchen. You know, people have their little cork boards in the kitchen to kind of keep track of stuff. Pin little paper, you know, your kids' homework on there. Again, this is all kind of a work in progress. I just thought about it the other day and I was like, you know what? I want to make them. So yeah, just to give ideas, if you have your own dollhouse or you're just making some miniatures, this would be really cute to, you know, cute little addition to your dollhouse. And pretty, you know, economical, everything except for the stir sticks. And of course, like I said, you can get craft sticks from the Dollar Tree, or sometimes they have the coffee stirs, so you can just get those from there too. If you know, if you can't find these or you don't want to go anywhere else and they have them at your Dollar Tree, then there you go. But you can use craft sticks and maybe cut them in half if you don't want them to be that thick. You can just get a box cutter, take your ruler and just go slit down right down the middle, and that'll be just about the same size as these. Then the last one is the chalkboard. And you can even make, you know, picture frames like this if you want to. You can get the little, you know, stirs, the coffee stirs, or these little skinny sticks, and do the exact same thing. So make picture frames, print out little pictures. That'd be really cute. And I'll probably do that too. Not in this video, but I'll probably make a few picture frames, different colors and stuff like that to match the specific rooms. You can make a mirror. You have, I got this stuff from the, I don't know if that's going to be a glare, but it's like a reflective piece of paper. You could make a mirror, you know, out of the same pieces. That'd be kind of cool. So many different options. Like I said, you can do whatever you want. I just thought this would be kind of cool to add to one of my rooms. This might take a while to dry, so because it's kind of a see the string there, kind of a like a slippery material. It's chalkboard material, or you know, those chalkboard sheets. And then if you don't want to buy obviously the chalkboard sheets or whatever from the Dollar Tree, you can just get some black paint, paint like a piece of paper or a piece of the poster board because it's a little bit thicker. You can paint that and make it into a chalkboard. I just happen to have this on hand, so that's why I'm using this. And also the corkboard sheet, you could just get some, like, you can even just use the back of a box. Let me see, I might have something here. Yeah, like piece of just, this is a packaging from something. This kind of looks like corkboard, so you can just do the same thing, make it out of that. No big deal. You don't have to, you know, get actual corkboard. I just figured I had it and I thought it would be cute, so why not? So there's that. So you got a cute little, you know, chalkboard there. And then I'm going to use my box cutter just so that it's even. You can cut it if you want to. I don't know if it's even dry, but we're gonna where's my ruler? I'm gonna use my ruler just to kind of hold everything down here, and then just go across. There's that. Yeah, see, that's gonna be perfect. I'm not using the ruler to cut straight. I just want to hold that piece of stir down, piece of wood down, so it doesn't move around. And go. Oh no, it's moving. It's okay. It's okay. It's all right. I can fix it. Hold on. So yeah, you want to wait till this dries so that your wood and stuff doesn't move around. And if you don't like the shape of it, you can just take your, once it dries, get your sandpaper, nail file or whatever, and just kind of file it down so it's even and, you know, everything fits on there the way that you want. But look how, oops, make some cute little expo markers, and then you have yourself a little dry erase board. Same thing with the cork board. Maybe I'll just cut this because I think I moved it around too much the last time. Can you even see me? Here we go. I've had this cork board so long it's cracked. I've had this, I think this is one of the first ones that I bought when Dollar Tree came out with the cork board sheets, the cork sheets. I need to turn this around. Hold on. Let me just cut this. There we go. Yeah, see that box cutter is going to get closer. So this is just, I'm just trimming it right now, but I might take my box cutter to it later just to kind of even it out a little bit better. Make sure none of that cork is showing from like right there. I'll fix it. There you have your little cork board. Again, you can paint that or stain it if you don't want it to be that color. Then I'm going to do the same thing. I think I'm going to use this again because so yeah, it's moving my sticks. My little wood is being moved. Oops. Maybe I can do the scissors for this part of it. Think that'll work. And again, you don't have to use the chalkboard paper. You can just get, or you know, some black cardstock. Get a piece of paper and paint it black. Doesn't matter, it'll work. And there you have a cute little chalkboard. Again, I'll probably get, you know, cut another piece once it's all dry, and I'll glue it onto the bottom here. So then it has that little lip so you can put the chalk on and the erasers on there. And I'll make those little accessories at some other time. But look at that. And again, you can make picture frames like this. You can do whatever you want. But I thought that'd be cute to have a chalkboard, a corkboard, and a dry erase board. So even if you're like doing a classroom or you're doing an office, you can adjust the size of it and make a big chalkboard. If you're doing a classroom, make a bigger dry erase board. Again, a cork board. You can even make a smaller cork board if you just want, you know, something thinner. You don't even have to put like the wood around the edges. You can get like, just get some thin paper and just kind of tape it or glue it on the sides just to give the illusion that it has a frame on it. But yeah, so I thought that was cute. And I hope that you enjoyed that. Be sure to follow me over on TikTok. I post a lot more over there because it's just a lot easier. Instagram, sometimes Facebook. So I have all those linked down below. Be sure to check me out. Follow me over there if you haven't already. And again, if you haven't followed, if you're not subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell. And guys, that is it for today. Until next time, be blessed and be the reason someone smiles. Bye.